just a disclaimer. I want to apologize for the quality of this video. I don't know what is going on with the lighting. First of all, I look really washed out. Maybe it's the white walls, I don't know. And also, it looks like dirty. My camera looks foggy or something, even though I cleaned it before I started filming. So I don't know what that is, but I don't want to refilm this because I don't. So I apologize for the quality of this video. Hopefully you get the idea. Hopefully you don't care, but if you do, then just don't watch it. I don't know what to tell you. So yeah, enjoy the video. My hair has a mind of its own. I don't know. I'm freaking uglier than I thought. We're not gonna look at the hair because it's spooky season anyway. I'm all about being spooky, you know. I got spooky socks. I hope you guys get a spooky basket and everything this year. If not, it's okay. It's fall and it's already been 90 degrees twice. It's been 90 degrees twice. So I'm gonna do my eyes first because my plan is to do a very black smoky eye, and with that being said, I don't want to have to mess up my foundation and everything else, so we're gonna just do the eyes first. What I'm gonna use is gonna be the black in the Jaclyn Hill palette because that's the only really black eyeshadow I have. I have Noir from Anastasia. I'm gonna pack it on. We're gonna blend it out. Should I do a guys, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna try something different. Usually when I do the black smoky eyes, I do the black first and blend it out, but it gets really messy really fast when I do that. So today I'm gonna start with like the transition, like the orangey fall colors on the outside because it's fall too. So I'm gonna grab this yellowy color. Yeah, it's like a yellowy color. I'm gonna use that as my crease color. Same thing on the other side. I'm just packing that color as my transition shade. I'm dipping into like this, like, it's like the exact color of my sweater, which is like a puke orangey green. And I'm just like putting that color lower than the first one because, like I said, I want a nice transition from the black to the bright color. My favorite spooky season movie, because I'm basic and I'm a 90s child, is Hocus Pocus because it used to scare me when I was little, and now I'm just like,
and now you're mine. I first hit on you, and now you're gone.
So I added the darker color so that it looks a lot darker. This eye is still being irritating. I'm gonna start light. Looks gray on camera, so Jaclyn, baby. I'm gonna try the Anastasia black on the other eye just to see how it compares. Alright, so the Anastasia one is definitely blacker, so I'm just gonna put it over the Jaclyn Hill one, but you can see this one has way more fallout though, so that's fun, you know. I hope this gets cute, y'all. Speed this part up because you're gonna be bored, but I'm gonna use the same two colors I used at first to try to make this look softer and more approachable, because right now I look like it doesn't look good. So it looks bad. I'm gonna catch this eye up to speed, and then we're gonna see how we can make this look better, because right now I just look dirty. Okay, so this eye, once it's cleaned up, of course, once this eye is cleaned up, it looks more like what I wanted it to look like. I just need to bring this black up some. this one I'm going to bring the black up here and keep doing the same blending motion. But this one looks way smokier and more pulled out because I am going to do a liner. So that's like the goal, is I need to pull out the black a lot more on both sides. So the main vision I had for this look was the orange liner. Now, I'm scared to do this. I'm going to try it with the concealer method and just a bright orange because I feel like this liner isn't the orange that I was envisioning. And it looks brighter in the tube, so I don't know. I'm going to throw some orange on there real quick. And this is a BH Cosmetics. Okay, I'm going to try it again with a Morphe shadow. Things are looking up, you guys. Alright, you guys, so my camera was dying, so I didn't get to like record the end, but if you can tell, I added some black into my waterline. I put on a clear gloss with a brown liner. I finished my face, put on some highlighter. I decided to add some orange in my inner corners. It's not like crazy pigmented, but it's there. Yeah, it's not like a crazy orange. It's not usually my style. I'm actually gonna add some champagne pop because it's not doing it for me, you know. I need to see a pop there or else I don't feel complete. So we're gonna mix it. Okay, better. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I wanted to like give you guys like Sabrina the Teenage Witch vibes, like witchy type of spooky season basically. But it came together. What is that? It came together honestly. You know, whether, I don't know, so as you can see, you know, whether you guys will probably look at this like this was filmed kind of unprofessionally because it wasn't filmed like in the best, why is this like, it's not like an ideal like, but yeah, I really rushed through the eye part because I really thought it was going to come out good, and I really thought I wasn't going to be able to post this because I was like, this is not looking the way I wanted to, but it came out overall with the lashes and everything pretty good. I'm going to list everything down below that I used in this look, but it's spooky season, so spooky season means you can look any kind of way you want. But I hope you guys have a great spooky season. I really hope you thumbs up this video, comment down below, and subscribe for some more Leak in your life. And make sure you turn on your post notifications because Leak does post every week and you want to see me every week. I hate talking in third person. That was really weird. I'm sorry, but it rhymed. So yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Alright you guys, so my camera was dying, so I didn't get to like record the end, but if you can tell, I added some black into my waterline. I put on a clear gloss with a brown liner. I finished my face, put on some highlighter. I decided to add some orange in my inner corners. It's not like crazy pigmented, but it's there. I'm just gonna add some champagne pop because it's not doing it for me, you know. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I wanted to like give you guys like Sabrina the Teenage Witch vibes, spooky season basically. But it came together. What is that? I really rushed through the eye part because I really thought it was going to come out good, and I really thought I wasn't going to be able to post this because I was like, this is not looking the way I wanted to, but it came out overall with the lashes and everything pretty good. I'm going to list everything down below that I used in this look, but it's spooky season, so spooky season means you can look any kind of way you want. But I hope you guys have a great spooky season. I really hope you thumbs up this video, comment down below, and subscribe for some more Leak in your life. And make sure you turn on your post notifications because Leak does post every week and you want to see me every week. I hate talking in third person. That was really weird. I'm sorry, but it rhymed. So yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.